बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एलिमेंट्री स्कूल एजुकेटर आर्ट्स के लिए 2019 लेबर एंड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट का पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। आइए शुरू करते हैं। हु वाज द फर्स्ट मुस्लिम किंग ऑफ इंडिया? आंसर इज कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबिक। सेकेंड MCQ, लास्ट रेसिपेंट ऑफ निशान हैदर वाज? आंसर इज हवालदार लालक जान। थर्ड MCQ, in which Windows version the option My Computer introduced? Answer is Windows 95. Fourth MCQ, tooth decay due to the deficiency of? Answer is fluorine. Fifth MCQ, Idi Amin was the president of? Answer is Uganda. Sixth MCQ, Kofi Annan belongs to which country? Answer is Ghana. Seventh MCQ, who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? Answer is Liaquat Ali Khan. Eighth MCQ, who was the emperor from 1658 to 1707? Answer is Aurangzeb Alamgir. Ninth MCQ, Shawwal is the month of Islamic year? Answer is 10th month of Islamic year. 10th MCQ, who present the theory survival of fittest? Answer is Herbert Spencer. 11th MCQ, Donald Trump belong to which party? Answer is Republican Party. 12th MCQ, capital of New Zealand? Answer is Wellington. 13th MCQ, currency of Bhutan is? Answer is rupee. 14th MCQ, Neelam Valley is in? Answer is Azad Kashmir. 15th MCQ, Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu belongs to which tribe? Answer is Umayya. 16th MCQ, Simon Commission suggests the separation of? Answer is none of these. 17th MCQ, Surah Nahl means? Answer is honeybee. 18th MCQ, when was the plan of 5 year presented? Answer is 1955. 19th MCQ, which country has longest coastline? Answer is Canada. 20th MCQ, nanotechnology refers to? Answer is extremely small technology. 21, Joseph Tito belongs to? Answer is Yugoslavia. 22, choreography refers to? Answer is arts of dance, arts of dancing. 23, Lee Kuan Yew was the first Prime Minister of? Answer is Singapore. 24, capital of Democratic Republic of Korea? Answer is Pyongyang. 25, Qantas is the airline of which country? Answer is Australia. 26, which pass connects Chitral with Gilgit? Answer is Shandur. फ्रेंड्स, इसमें स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं। यहाँ पे बाज़ जगहों पे आंसर जो है वो ब्रोगिल पास है, लेकिन इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो शंदूर पास है। 27, हाफ ऑफ अ बाइट इज नाउन एज? आंसर इज निबल। 28, फ्रॉम वेयर आइस हॉकी ओरिजिनेटेड? आंसर इज कैनेडा। 29, date and time of computer changes from? Answer is control panel. 30, Angkor what is? Answer is temples complex. 31, kinetic energy passes due to body of its? Answer is motion. 32, Ibrahim was the king of which country? Answer is Yemen. 33, which countries have dispute of Cyprus, Iceland? Answer is Turkey and Greece. 34, in which year Pakistan Fund was established? Answer is 1947. 35. Which prophet was born after the murder of Habil by Qabil? Answer is Hazrat Shis alayhi salam. 36. President of Turkey Rajab Tayyip Erdogan fond of which game in his young age? Answer is football. 37. Which thing is invented by Pascal? Answer is calculator and adding machine. 38. In which constitution bicameralism introduced? Answer is 1973. 39. When did in 1973 constitution was enforced? Answer is 14th of August 1973. Who was the Prime Minister after Zafrullah Jamali in 2004? Answer is Chaudhry Shujaat Hussain. 42. Pakistan is located? Answer is South Asia. 43. Who discovered DNA? Answer is Watson and Crick. 44. Prime Minister Chaudhry Muhammad Ali was succeeded by? Answer is Hussain Shaheed Sohrawardi. 45. What was the duration of membership of Quaid-e-Azam Rahmatullah Alayh both in Muslim League and Congress? Answer is 7 years. 46. Since which issue Iran fired 16 missiles on Israel from Egyptian camp? Answer is Palestine conflict and Golan Heights. So answer will be both A and B. In which year Security Council increased 10 to 15? Answer is 1965. 48. Which valley is at the end of Kuram Pass? Answer is Kohat Valley. 49. Tiananmen Square located in? Answer is China. 50. Insulin secreted by? Answer is pancreas. 51 MCQ. Which organization has no formal structure? Answer is G8. 52 MCQ. Subedar Abdul Khalik belongs to? Answer is athletics. 53. Who had written Ihya al-Ulum? Answer is Imam Ghazali. 54. Hyperlink is? Answer is click on the text and new document open. 55 MCQ. In which civilization river Tigris and Euphrates lies? Answer is Mesopotamia. 56 MCQ. Select paragraph up key. Answer is Alt plus Shift plus up arrow key. 57 MCQ. Where in Excel address of an active cell is displayed? Answer is status bar. 58 MCQ. Vertical distance from sea level is called? Answer is altitude. 59. Butterfly stroke associated with? Answer is swimming. 60 MCQ. Ryder Cup associated with? Answer is golf. 61 MCQ. To which tribe Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu belongs? Answer is Banu Adi. Who is the writer of Fatahul Buldan? Answer is Yahya al-Baladuri. 86 MCQ. Nelson Mandela was born? Answer is 1918. 87. When India stopped water of Pakistan? Answer is 1st April in 1948. 88th MCQ, who is the father of liberalism? Answer is John Locke. 89th MCQ, digestion of food starts from? Answer is mouth. 19th MCQ, which of the following Indian states border attached with Pakistan? Answer is Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat. So final answer is all of the above. इसके बाद उर्दू के MCQ स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं। 91 MCQ है, दुरुस्त जुमले का इंतखाब करें। आंसर है तीनों में से कोई नहीं, यानी ये ऊपर वाली तीनों ऑप्शंस में से कोई भी इसका आंसर नहीं, तो इसलिए हम 4th D आंसर को सिलेक्ट करेंगे। 92 MCQ है, टामक टोइयां से क्या मुराद है? आंसर इज अंदाजे से काम लेना। 93 काली शलवार और ठंडा गोश्त किसके अफसाने हैं? और इसका जवाब है सआदत हसन मंटो। 94th MCQ, दुरुस्त जुमले का इंतखाब करें, किसी को गाली ना दो, इसका आंसर है। उसके बाद है जी 95th MCQ, खुदाए सुखन किसको कहते हैं? आंसर है मीर तकी, मीर को कहते हैं। 96 MCQ है, ऐसी दाद जो लिखने में तो आए लेकिन पढ़ने में ना आए, लेकिन यानी साइलेंट हो कहलाती है। आंसर है दादे मदूला। 97th MCQ है, नाखून से गोश्त अलहदा नहीं होता से क्या मुराद है? और इसका आंसर है गहरे तल्लुकात कभी भी ख़त्म नहीं होते। 98th MCQ, ताके निसियाँ पे रखने से क्या मुराद है? आंसर है भूल जाना। 99 MCQ, ऐवाने बाला से क्या मुराद है? जवाब है सेनेट। लास्ट MCQ है, ज़रका फिल्म के हीरो का नाम? आई थिंक ये हीरो नहीं हीरोइन है। ज़रका फिल्म की हीरोइन का नाम, और आंसर है नीलो। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये मेरी काविश अच्छी लगे तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, क्योंकि ये जो पेपर्स मैं आपके साथ शेयर करता हूँ ये काफ़ी मेहनत के बाद प्रिपेयर किए जाते हैं, इसलिए इस मेहनत का कुछ ना कुछ जो सिला है वो आप इस सूरत में दे सकते हैं कि मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।